Use the Visibility widget to hide or show objects. Here I have a square, ABCD, that I've constructed using a circle and some lines. I'd like to hide the circle and the lines so that only the square is visible. I'll tap the Visibility widget to get started. Now I'll tap the circle. The circle turns gray, indicating that it will be hidden. I'll continue by tapping the lines as well. Now that I've tapped everything that I want to hide, I'll tap the Visibility widget again. The circle and the lines are hidden. All that remains is the square. If I decide to show the circle again, I'll tap the Visibility widget and tap the circle. Now when I tap to dismiss the Visibility widget, the circle remains visible.